Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to set up Kajabi website. To do that, go to your browser and then search for Kajabi. Then find the official website of Kajabi and click it. You can see kajabi.com. Then sign up for Kajabi. Once you visit the website, sign up for Kajabi an account and you need to choose a plan that suits your needs. You can also scroll down until you see Start Free Trial and click on it. Then create your account. You can also click Continue with Google to create your account. Fill up the forms that needed to fill to your account. Then create a new site. Choose a theme, customize your site, create pages, add content, and set up products. And that's how to set up Kajabi website. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.